Are you dealing with those pesky trouble codes like this, or this? Trying to figure out where to start fixing them can be frustrating. Finally, Innova has the solution for you. Innova is now powered by Motor to bring you a new revolutionary repair tool, fully integrated into the 7111. In this update, we've added Motor's latest feature to help you tackle those tough malfunction indicator lamp MIL DTCs. This feature called Motor Repair Info, and it's designed to address all your repair needs. Here's what it offers. 1. DTC Troubleshooting. Get detailed descriptions, possible causes, diagnostic tips, and practical applications. This gives you all the technical info you need about the components linked to the DTC. 2. Wiring diagrams. Access clear and complete wiring diagrams for all the sensors and components you'll be working on, making your electrical repairs much easier. 3. Component Locator. Find the exact location of every part with easy-to-understand images based on the vehicle's layout. This ensures you can fix things quickly and accurately. 4. Specifications. Get all the important data like torque specs, voltage standards, and more to make sure you're replacing parts correctly. And there's more. In addition to supplying information related to the confirmed MIL DTC, you can also access tons of powertrain data just by typing a keyword into the search box, which helps you get all the info you need for your repairs. We're not done yet. There's one more benefit we're offering: 2 additional DTC troubleshooting, along with the MIL DTC. You'll get troubleshooting info for 2 extra confirmed DTCs. These features are designed to give you a complete view of your vehicle's health and help you repair it more effectively. To start using this feature, simply pick the package that's right for you. Read and agree to the terms and conditions. Enter your payment details and you're all set. You've successfully activated this powerful tool. Make your diagnostic work easier with the 7111. If you have any questions or need help, our technical support team is here for you. Thanks for choosing the Innova 7111.